I use craving bowling waffles that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. You're in the right place. Now I'm going to walk you through how I make this delicious waffle. I'll walk you through what you need. I'll also be dropping the ingredients in the description below, so do want to go through it. These are all the ingredients you need: melted butter, milk. You can substitute vanilla for almond extract, nutmeg, or cinnamon. So you just go ahead and preheat your waffle maker. Then you're going to go ahead and mix it in this bowl. Add your flour, add all your dry ingredients to one bowl and the wet ingredients to a separate bowl. So we just mix in the dry ingredients, just mix it properly. Added my sugar, baking powder, and flour to this particular bowl, and just a pinch of salt is fine, except if you're using self-rising flour which have salt already. So when we're done with that, I'm going to set it aside. Get my melted butter. So for the melted butter, you can also do halfway mix of melted butter and vegetable oil. Yeah, so just mix this in properly. So, and you can just work with the ingredients. You can adjust the ingredients to your own taste. This is similar to what you do when you're making pancakes. It's just that for pancakes we use less baking powder, because we don't need it to rise too much. So when you're done, you add the wet ingredients, the dry ingredients, and we are going to give this a good mix. So, but you don't need to stress yourself. Just mix it up, making sure that it's smooth but not too much mixing. Okay, so when you're making this, just bear in mind that the texture of your waffle is how, if you want it to be really thick, so you make sure your batter is a bit thicker, and if you want it to be light, you can also make your batter light. You can brush your waffle maker with oil and now add your batter to this. I had to transfer my bag into a cup, but for easy use, and this waffle maker is so small, so it gets done very fast. So within the space of 7 to 10 minutes, your waffle is ready. This doesn't take time. If you have a bigger waffle, it's going to be easier for you. Waffle maker, I mean. So you want to eat this with snacks, fruits. You can use whipping cream, buttercream, syrup, fruits to eat this. Can serve as your snack, your breakfast, your lunch, your dessert. And I was going to plate this in different ways, and let's see which of them is going to be so good. While this looks so pretty, the whipping cream and fruits look so pretty, I didn't even want to eat this plate. Yeah, it's a yes for me. It's a 10 over 10. Please give your rating in the comment section. Which of the platings, which one comes out perfectly well for you, or which one will you love or prefer to eat? I sprinkled icing sugar on this particular one. Yeah, we are not going to eat that butter there, it's just for aesthetic, So, and here I've cut my strawberry. Just cut the strawberry into smaller portions, and I added syrup on this. Yeah, so you can keep your waffle in the fridge for 3 days. It will still be good, but if you want to store for a longer time, put in the freezer, and it could stay there for about a month or thereabouts. So you just heat it up when you need to eat it again. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching to this point. See you next time. Bye.